Watch this video to the end. As you dey watch this video, make sure say you share this video. This man wey sit down so, him name na Mark. Mark go work. As him go work come back, things no go well with am that day. Na so him just dey feel uncomfortable based on say nothing come out, work no dey. As the one wey him try work dey no pay, na him wife wey be Juliet come meet am. Dey ask am, Mark my husband, wetin be the problem? This one wey just come back from work dey do like this. Wetin happen? Talk to me. Na Mark dey depressed. Mark dies, life tire am that day based on say him go hustle, he no make any money, 1 naira no come out, and him dey feel am say how I go work, I no make any money, wetin my family go take eat? Na him wife first rush go bring water. Him wife name na Juliet. Juliet rush immediately go bring water first for Mark. As Mark dey drink the water, na so him mind dey come down small small. At least him don go come back know say person wey care dey house. Him drink that water finish. Not only that one o, na Juliet waka comot go bring to know wetin dey worry Mark. Na him begin dey touch Mark. Dey ask Mark, Mark my husband, please, wetin happen? This one wey just dey depressed like this one wey just dey uncomfortable, you know well, wetin happen for wetin happen? Just talk, I want to hear from you. Now Mark begin dey tell am say, Juliet my wife, I go work, I hustle, nothing come out, no money, they no pay me. Upon all my sufferness today, I know nothing come out. As we dey so now, just dey think wetin we go eat. Na Juliet dey tell am say, Mark my husband, calm down, relax. Now make you tell me say man dey do something for house, and today we be say nothing come out. The work wey I dey work, money dey. I don even save money wey go take care of us for 1 month, even if you no go out anywhere. So no bother yourself. You see am, na make as a married woman, e good make you get something wey you dey do for house. No depend only on your husband. Dey wait say if your husband never bring, you no go eat, because e get some days wey him go waka comot, nothing go come out. You wey dey house go come take care of the family. As him dey tell Mark this thing, now Mark come happy. Mark mind come rest. Mark come dey look him wife, him dey happy. Him wife dey tell am say, don't worry, money dey, we go take care of us. So even if he no go work for complete 1 month, we go dey eat, we go dey happy. Now Mark begin dey smile. You see man now, you see smile don dey for him face, because you know say man no dey like make money dey dry for him pocket. Any man wey dey, if he no get money, he go dey comfortable. You know say that person no be better man now. Better man be say anytime they like where money dey. If money no dey man pocket, he get as him go dey feel. So now July dey tell am already say, I may go shower, I may go bath. Say him don already cook for house, say food dey. As you dey watch this video, make sure say you share am, comment, and follow our page. Thank you.